Welcome to the Temple of Hatshepsut. It is 3,500 years old, built around 1500 BC for Hatshepsut. She was the only female Egyptian pharaoh. You may ask yourself, wasn't Cleopatra pharaoh? Yes, but she wasn't Egyptian. She was Greek Macedonian. So most of this is restored a lot in recent years. Up there you see workers digging for some new tombs to be discovered. There's an even older temple here. So hot.
It's about $20,
Yeah.
20 euro, less than 20 euro.
Pretty cool.
But if you like, can make a discount if you need it. If you want it.
So these are Colossi of Memnon, built around 3,000 years ago. Stand guard against the entrance into this area. 600 tons each. They are of Agamemnon Hatep III. This is the Medinet Habu, built 1200 years before Christ. This is the Temple of Ramesses III. So we are in the Valley of the Kings. 60-something tombs, 62 tombs in this valley of all the Egyptian pharaohs. It's deep into the ground. It's crazy. And all these carvings on the wall. Magnificent. Imagine they did this thousands of years ago. Now we're walking into Ramesses IV tomb.